Hello people and welcome to my channel. This video about tips that I collected about learning new language, and let's start with it. Create a tag for saving information about your language learning process. And you can also create like a tag in your browser for saving some sort of information and some sort of sites or specific web pages, or you can choose like a physical one notebook or like this one if you like it, or you should choose digital one notebook if you prefer digital method to take in notes. Listen to music, especially lyrics, if you like it, and you can also try to search some text of your favorite music and try to translate and understand how the author pronounces each word, and try to understand where which word starting and ending. If you like music, it can be great method for you. Watch TV series and movies with subtitles on your own language, or better if its subtitles would be on your language that you are trying to learn. You can choose any device for learning your language and reading books. If you like digital reading, you can also use like e-reader or some tablets or your phone or your computer or notebook. Wherever you want, use it, because reading, it's like one of magically useful ways to learn a new language. Follow social media personalities or some pages, because you can find information that you define like information that you like. For this purpose, you can use Twitter or you can use Instagram. You can choose like one person and follow and read some sort of information under their posts. You can also choose some sites that's similar to Twitter or Instagram and follow people and pages on these sites. For example, Chinese sites where you can sign for some people and check their posts and learn new vocabulary, new information, and what do you want to learn. Find someone who's learning the same language as you learning, or language that is your mother language, or maybe someone else who is interested in something like that, or maybe someone who is learning the same language as you, but you need to find some sort of friend. Doing something every day, it's better for achieving some results, and if you are learning language, it's better for memorizing new information, and after all, you can achieve better results if you are practicing something every day. You should grab your digital planner or diary or physical diary and try to explain your thoughts in language that you learning, or if you are only beginner like I am, you should try to find some sentences that you like quotes of some people on this language that you use, and you should try to take notes to copy this sentence, because you need to practice your writings and it's kinda boring. Use flashcards. You can buy or create cards what you need. It's great way for learning a new vocabulary. You can take your cards with you. It can be easier to use some digital apps and make your digital cards and review it everywhere where you have time. As for me, it's better to have both decks and use it in different situations. I hope mostly all of you have sticky notes, or if you don't have it, use paper and stationery tape. All that you need is list of words that you want to memorize and sometime make some sticky notes reminders. Use it everywhere and you will definitely succeed in it. Don't forget to prepare yourself for learning a new language. You should find some methods of memorizing information and new vocabulary that you like. You can use visualization or some other methods. Choose wisely. Because of it depends your result. You also can use free online courses on platforms like Coursera or edX. There are two ways. First, it's find course about your language, you know, grammar, lectures, etc. Second way, it's find courses on your language that you learn about whatever you want, whatever you like, about something interesting. If you have some thoughts, you should try to express it on language that you learn. If easier, it's speak with yourself using this language. Repeat after hero's method. Benefits, it's sounds more naturally. It's about your pronunciation. Use phrases when you need something and you don't need to try so hard to recollect some words or what you want to say. It's better memorizing of this information. Advice: wait until you will be alone because you may sound weird and you don't know how many psychos around you. Change language of your phone. I think all of you know how it works. Do it right now. If you already did it, my congratulations. Next step: change language of your browser. It's desperate step but interesting. If quickly, you should read this instruction and don't forget how your language look like and which position in list of languages you are searching when you decide to get back to your language. Because in my case, Chinese was very tricky and I spent a lot of time to get back to my language. Use YouTube. It's obviously, but there you have ways like with courses. Use channels like German 101, Chinese 101, Japanese 101, or use some bloggers from China, from Japan, or use some content with language that you learn. Better use all of this. Thank you for watching this video. Leave comments below what do you think about these tips and what do you use for learning your new language. Don't forget to subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye bye!